So I've been doing digital dentures for a few years now, and sometimes I get cases where there's not enough retention, and as we all know, it's mostly for mandibular dentures, they always lack retention, and sometimes also the upper. And now that I've attended this course, I understand better the concepts, and I think I'm more confident, and I can't wait to try my next case. So definitely the closed mouth technique impression, and the border molding, the whole thing about taking the impression with the base plates or the prototype. Any dentist who is interested in doing dentures or who is on the fence about doing dentures again, because we all know that dentists give up that practice. So I encourage any dentist to start doing dentures again, and yeah, so that's who I recommend it to.